If you're having trouble sleeping or feeling tired all the time, it might be time to see a doctor. Sleep apnea is an increasingly common disorder, now affecting nearly 1 in 4 men and about 10% of women. It's a condition that blocks the airway during sleep. And as Delane Cleveland reports, a Golden Valley company has been working hard over the past decade to help treat patients with this condition.
For anyone dealing with obstructive sleep apnea, it generally requires doing a sleep study to diagnose the severity of the problem, followed by using a CPAP machine to treat it.
Most sleep physicians, they're going to offer CPAP first because it's so convenient. You can start using the therapy that night, right? It's an external device that you wear on your face. Unfortunately, some people have problems with the apparatus.
Tim Herbert is the CEO of Golden Valley-based Inspire Medical Systems. His company developed a small device that doctors can implant just under a patient's skin during a 2-hour procedure. The Inspire device is specifically designed for anyone who can't tolerate the CPAP mask.
We have a little remote control that you use to turn the therapy on when you go to bed, and you use it all night, and it just makes sure your airway stays open while you sleep and you don't have obstructions.
This is the neural stimulator. This is the device that's implanted below the skin.
We first met Herbert at a sleep conference in 2011. At the time, the Inspire device was just getting off the ground.
When we spoke last 10 years ago, we were probably just in the hundreds of patients who have tried Inspire therapy. As we stand today, we're well over 12,000 in the United States and Europe.
Inspire is now a publicly traded company with coverage from most of the major health insurance payers. Herbert says the company is still in its beginning stages and continues to grow.
We just have a long pathway to go, and really are just starting to not even approach 1% penetration in the number of patients out there with untreated moderate to severe sleep apnea.
Inspire has come a long way in the last decade, and Herbert is confident that even more people will be able to benefit from the device without having to sleepwalk through their day.
It's very exciting to see the recognition and the work that we've done and the commitment that we have to the patients. But again, we're just at the beginning. We have such a long way to go in our growth pathway.
Delane Cleveland, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.